Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I have not an unboxing because they are two pieces that I already tore into. So I guess it's more of a reveal than an unboxing because I didn't want to put everything back inside the box and re-unbox it. Yeah, plus I saw them in store. I don't know if you guys saw it on Instagram. I posted some on my Instagram stories of these two pieces and I'm so excited that I was able to pick these two pieces up at the same time on the launch date. It was kind of a runaround to find both pieces at once, but I'm so happy and fortunate to have these pieces in my collection. And without further ado, I'll go ahead and reveal the first piece, and they are both from Louis Vuitton. And so let's get into it. The first piece I am so excited to reveal is my brand new Neverfull from the fall 2022 collection. As soon as I saw this collection on the runway, I think it was one of the first bags that came out. It had the gold floral print and I was in love and I was like, I need something from this collection. I absolutely love the flower print. I love the fact that they did it in silver and in gold. The Neverfull only came in silver, but I was so happy. And again, I was following Foxy LV nonstop, waiting for pictures, waiting for prices. And when she posted, I was so happy. And she if you don't follow Foxy LV, she knows everything about Louis Vuitton, and that's how I found out about everything. And I'm so happy to have her. And it was, that's where I got all my information from. It's been super hot here in France, and yeah, it's been so ugly. So I haven't been filming. Sorry about that, just because it is hot. It is so hot here. Here is the organizer, my trusty organizer that I use for all of my bags. There's the dust bag inside. And here is the interior. It is a microfiber, kind of suede-ish material. And the pouch is so cute. It has little LVs, almost like a rainbow, but in floral print. So it has it's very floral, and that's what I absolutely loved about this collection. I actually used this already when we went to dinner, and it looked so pretty on. Again, I'm so happy that I was able to grab this piece. So that was the first piece that I was able to pick up, and the next piece, which again, I'm so excited to be able to reveal and that I have, and so fortunate that they had both pieces available. I'm gonna get to it. Is my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 from the fall 2022 collection. Again, when this print came on the runway, the bags that they showed, I wasn't really into on the runway. I think it's called In the Loop or The Loop or something like that. I'm not really a big fan of that bag. But yeah, so I got the Speedy 25 in the gold metallic with the flowers. And in the beginning, when they were posting photos of this Speedy, it was actually purple flowers that they had on there. The purple flowers on the Neverfull. But at I think a week or two before, they updated the photos, and it looked like this, which I was a little disappointed at, but I actually kind of like the fact that there were two different floral prints, and I already knew I was getting both. I wasn't even trying to say anything. I knew I was getting both. I absolutely love this collection. I love these pieces. They kind of remind me of the Steven Sprouse collection from 2000, I believe it was spring 2000 or spring 2001. They had the floral prints on a lot of the dresses, on the clothes, and of course they reintroduced it. I believe it was in 2011 with the Steven Sprouse neon. I'm so happy I was able to add this to my collection. It is so beautiful. Again, I unboxed them when we were in Paris because I was super excited, and I actually used this last Saturday when we went to a birthday dinner celebration And yeah, it was so pretty. I got so many compliments on it. And for both pieces, I absolutely love that they are in treated leather, so there's no exposed vachetta. So I feel I'll be more worry free when I'm wearing these two pieces. So I absolutely love that as well. So pretty. There's the zipper. I already opened it. I have the dust bag inside. I don't know if you can see, but this too comes with the microfiber like suede lining. The zipper pocket in the back, which just houses the I guess textile card. And then I have my locking key, which I will put eventually on, but for right now I'm just gonna leave them in the pocket. This one, let's see. You know, normally like the Speedies, they come with like the pocket is like a flap. This one is not a flap, so you can't like pull it out. Here is the strap, and it's set on the shortest setting. And again, it only comes in 2 pieces. It doesn't come in 3 pieces like I guess the normal Speedies do. It sits, usually I like my bag to sit just maybe right here. Right here, I'm happy with. But it sits just a little lower. Doesn't hurt me, but you know, if you are on the shorter side, you know, it might sit lower. And yeah, we can't make it into like a shoulder bag like with the other Speedies, but that's okay. But I like it. I think it's so pretty. Here is the Neverfull. Here is the Speedy. And again, I'm so fortunate that I was able to pick up both pieces, both on the same launch date. It was just, it was so nice. Like, I'm so happy. And that was my reveal of my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 and my Neverfull MM from the Fall 2022 collection. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I hope everybody is well. I hope everybody is safe and everybody is happy. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do post a lot in my stories. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.